Artificial intelligence, AI, offers several benefits in the field of education, which can positively impact both students and educators. In this video, we will be focusing on one of the tools to support educators, Murf AI. This is its logo. It provides you with high-quality professional voiceovers for the videos in minutes. Murf goes beyond serving as a realistic voice generator to offer a complete voice solution that enables teachers to not only adjust the punctuation, emphasis, or other elements to make the AI-generated voice sound as complete as compelling as possible, but also add media like your video, your audio, and image files. All you need is a script to go from text to speech. Export the text or paste the text, then automatically the voiceover will be generated. If you will search for it, you should get this website. You can create your own profile and start using it in order to get real people's voices on your slides and on your presentation. Create your account, try to be familiar with it, and spice up your work as a teacher, your presentations as a professional development trainer, or as an educator.